Hey guys, welcome back to yet another amazing video. And if you have come here to learn the mnemonics for reactivity series, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you the mnemonics or a trick that you can use to remember the reactivity series. And those of you who are facing in difficulty for remembering, then stay and watch this video full, then you will get the mnemonics for reactivity series. And if you have come here for the first time and you want to learn such new concepts, amazing concepts in a really different way with all tips, tricks and shortcuts, then amplify your message by hitting that subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. And if you've done so, then leave a comment below how you felt about this video, and also on what topic do you want the next video to be. Please do that also. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay guys, so we are at the slideshow now and we will begin the mnemonics for reactivity series. So first, this is how you will generally observe in your books, textbooks or wherever you find reactivity series. It will start from potassium and next it will go to the gold, which is the least reactive. Now guys, now after the end of this session, you will be like Hakuna Matata. And those of you who don't know the meaning of this means no worries. After you learn this, after you got this mnemonics, you will get a good hold and grip over the reactivity series, and then you will be like, oh, it's no worries, I can solve it. Now, the next question comes is that why is the reactivity series necessary? So before we learn anything, before we begin anything, we should question us that why it is necessary to study and why mnemonics is only necessary. Is reactivity series so important? Yes, it's so important. The first reason is that it helps us to study the displacement reactions, that is which metal is capable of displacing the other metal from its salt solution. Next, it is gives us the strength of an element. So the series which is there, so first is the potassium, means it is more reactive, so like that. Next comes oxidation and reduction, means which element is capable of oxidizing, or which element can become reducing agent, or like that. And next, extraction process. So in the metallurgical process we should use some reducing agents, again the same thing, but we should be using some reducing agents, and this reactivity series helps us that which element we can use is having the capability to become a extraction metal. So let's learn guys. So first, so there is a clip that I have attached with this slideshow which is going to help you. This is prepared by me only. Okay guys, so let's understand this. So today guys, we are going to explore the mnemonics for the reactivity series. In the reactivity series which you find so long, there are only a couple of elements, but if you're still facing difficulty in remembering this, no worries guys, I am there to help you. So guys, first we'll go at the letters. Please stop. First we'll go with the letters. Calling me a zebra. I know it's a funny thing. It's like her her calling me smart goat. Okay, smart goat. Now let's look after what's the real meaning and how we can use this funny mnemonics. Go with the first letter. Please stand for P, again potassium. P for please, P for potassium. Stop, yes for stop, S for sodium. Next, calling, Ca, or C you can use for calcium. Then comes me with the first letter M, it stands for magnesium. Guys, A stands for aluminium guys. And next comes zebra, and the Z letter stands for zinc. Next we have its, I for its and I for iron. Like, L for like, and again L same thing, lead, but the symbol is different, but I am telling you the name. Her, there's hydrogen, which is the most important stage. Calling, again same is there, but calling is standing for copper. Two times are there calling, just look after it. Me, that is M, stands for mercury. Smart is nothing but silver. And next it's goat, that is G, which stands for goat, the least reactive element. So this is what is get there guys. Okay guys, this was all about this video guys. So I hope you learned and got the mnemonics. And if I failed to understand or get the grip of when I was telling you, then please rewatch this video and you will get it. And guys, you want that picture of all the names arrow marked with all the reactivity elements, then please go and check. It is in the description guys. It is in the description page, you can get that. In the description I have provided a download link which you can download that image. You can take the printout, you can save it on your phone also, and you can remember the reactivity series whenever you want. And this was it guys, thank you for watching this. If you like this, please hit that like button right now and subscribe to my channel if you are not done still. So guys, let's move on. So as we all know that we are going to always end our session with a beautiful amazing quote. I know it was a very short video because there was no big deal in remembering reactivity series, right guys? So after that, tell me in the comment that after going through this mnemonics, have you felt Hakuna Matata, guys? Please tell me in that comment also. Now every session we finish with our beautiful quote, and this session also we're gonna finish with a beautiful and amazing quote. It says, life is like a mountain. It is very hard to climb, but once you get the top, the view is very beautiful. So guys, whenever we have to reach our goal, it's really difficult, guys. It's not an easy journey that we can cover and we will reach to the top. But guys, once we reach to the top and we look at the view, it's really amazing. What this indirectly means is, once you do hard work with smart work, and that's what you become a genius and you reach the top. After you reach the top, you see and you look at your success itself and you are like, oh, it's really amazing. So this is what this quote tells, guys. So again, a beautiful quote to end the session. So this was all about this video, guys. Okay guys, thank you. Hey guys, this was all about this video. I hope you learned about the mnemonics of the reactivity series, and guys, you have to practice these mnemonics, then only you'll be able to master this and also use this. And if you found this video really nice, then hit that like button. And guys, if you found this really informative, then share this with your friends, family and all the close friends you have, because let them also have the knowledge of this and also use this for their excellence. Okay guys, so this was all, and till my next video guys, stay tuned to this channel. And for this video, this is Dhanush Nayak signing off for this video. Till the next video guys, bye bye.